If you're looking for a plug-and-play turn signal kit for your Kawasaki Ridge, look no further. Our kit utilizes factory wiring harnesses for both the front and rear lights. Side markers are optional. You don't have to install them. They come in 3 versions: large circle, small circle, and this smoked rectangular, which is my favorite. Again, rear lights also. This has the hazard option. Column shifter. Interior indicator lights. And best of all, a horn. Or even better, an optional train horn. Any questions, give us a call, 815-321-3888. This is Thor with the ATVSuperstore.com.